Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can verify your domain ownership via DNS record. So as you can see, 4 steps has been provided, and following these steps you can simply verify your domain ownership. So the first thing is you have to log into the hosting account. So if you are having GoDaddy or Namecheap hosting account, you can do it on their platform only, and that is quite easy. Otherwise you will have to go to the cPanel and you will have to make changes over there. So this is the cPanel. If you do not have GoDaddy hosting, then you'll come to the cPanel and make the changes from here. So first of all you'll write here zone editor in the search box, and it will appear here, and you'll have to go to the manage button, and from here you'll have to click on add record, and from here you'll have to name the property. So we'll go to the search console and we'll click the domain name. We'll copy the domain name and we'll simply paste it here, and from here type, you'll select txt and you'll come again to this. You just copy this and go to the cPanel and paste it here and hit save record, and you successfully saved the following txt record for your domain. Okay, now go to the search console and hit verify. Okay, so as you can see, our property has been verified after making the changes in the cPanel. So you can do it very easily. It's so simple, and you can follow my steps to do it. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.